Hi, Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, Florida. Beautiful day to be out here on the river, and today I'm excited to bring you a 2020 29-foot Pursuit dual console. This boat is equipped with a white pair of matching 300 horsepower Yamahas, and believe it or not, they only have 20 hours on them. Take a look at how big and nice this walk-around area is on the transom. Great pop-up cleats here so you can get them down out of the way for fishing. Storage back here on the back for dock lines, fenders, bait, equipment, whatever that might be. And a super bait well here on the port side. Rounded corners, blue interior, absolutely waiting for that live bait so you can go out and go fishing. Notice right now I've got the jump seats down here in the back. Passenger seats on the port side as well as the aft. Very easy to knock these out of the way and open this area up back here for fishing. Under the sole, there's storage there for the cockpit table as well as extra gear. Fish boxes here on the side. And of course the self-bailing cockpit here. Got a nice seating area aft here on the port side. Over on the starboard side we have a wet bar. Down below, a nice storage area with a trash can. Over here on the port side, we've got tackle storage, drawer that pulls out, as well as room for the tackle boxes and storage for our tools. Over here under the starboard seat is our main on-off switches, as well as the main breakers. Beautiful helm area with Garmin electronics, JL audio stereo system with speakers bow, cockpit, and stern. And as I mentioned, you'll notice on here 21.9 hours on the motors. You'll notice the helm seat swivels. Great armrests that'll pop down, as well as the bolster that'll pop up like we have over here on the port side. As we take a look over here on the port side, you've got a nice little area. Somebody could lay down here in the cabin if they'd like to. Storage for the bow cushion and bow table. Lots of rod holders to store your rods so that you can also lock them up in here as well. And here's our panel for the dockside power as well. Over on the starboard side, you'll notice big head unit, and that slide opens up the top as you open the door. Vacuum flush style potty, sink, and small vanity as well. As we go forward, nice big seating area up here in the front. Armrest and a grab rail so that it's easy to ride up here in the bow. Also, you'll notice there's a bracket here for the bow table you'll see in the photos, as well as you can fill this area in with cushions to make a rather large sun deck. Up in the anchor locker, you can access to the electric anchor windlass, and once again our pop-up cleat. Okay, once again we got a great hardtop here that comes all the way from the windscreen down to the deck so that you can fully enclose the bow with the windscreen. We also have a door that'll pull shut so that you can block all the wind and weather out, or you'll notice the snaps, you can snap the cockpit cover here on the bow as well. As we head towards the aft, one more time, just the room that we have in this 29-foot Pursuit. Big, beautiful hardtop. Absolutely wonderful boat for Southwest Florida or an inland lake, wherever you might want to use a dual console boat like this. I'm Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers. Give me a call.